I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We were recently acquired a collection of Kawasaki stuff, and we're kind of going through it all right now. And a lot of stuff was drag raced. So anyway, we have a KZ1000 cylinder head. This is for 77 or 78. The exhaust does look great. The intakes, there's no broken screws. This head's been cleaned up a little bit at one time or another for racing. They've done some grinding here around where the buckets go in. It still has all the valve guides. All in all, and also we have the caps with the bearings. All we did was take this and put it in the gunk tank because it was really dirty. There's no bust in the combustion chamber. This is nice. Of course, you wouldn't do a valve job on it and stuff before use. But anyway, we are going to put this on eBay. We're going to be asking $100 for it just because we don't need it. It has two broken fins right here, as you can see. And this head came originally, we believe it was a silver head and someone painted it. But anyway, I think this would be the start of something good, especially if you didn't have one. Once they've been cut and stuff like this, what they did was this is probably for big cams. But I don't know what kind of head work they did to it. They probably just so this would clear. So anyway, here it is, and it's going to be for sale, as is.